So I'm just filming a quick intro because I forgot to film one and I think I should have one. When I first started the project I was blonde, and then halfway through it took kind of a while to finish this project, and I also got bored of my hair, so I ended up dyeing it this color, and that's why it's different towards the end. I think that's it, but if you guys like the video, just subscribe or just let me know. I mostly recorded it for fun, but yeah, I'm sure my dog will enjoy it. Here there's this extra flat piece that covers here. I'm not sure what it's for, but I'm gonna remove it because I don't want it here. I'm gonna add mesh instead. The paint is somewhat dry, not really, but it's okay. I'm gonna conserve battery by doing this one off camera and then just showing you kind of the end result of that one. I added mesh in the back just by sewing it to the top and the bottom, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do the front. As of right now, I'm just pinning this zipper in place. To sew, I'm just using regular black thread and a curved needle. All that's left is to fix the signs with like more velcro or something. I haven't thought of it, but I'm gonna let these dry first, at least for like an hour or two, and then I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna clean my room because it's a mess. I ended up sewing all of these velcros with the sewing machine. To put these on the stroller, I just put the other piece first. When I put E6000 and glue it on here, I'm going to secure them with safety pins. That side has E6000 and I secured it with safety pins. Gluing the sides was the last step, so I'm just going to wait for that to dry and then we'll see the finished product. Well, it's almost finished. I just need to spray paint it, but I'm going to do that off camera. I could see him through here. It's just a little dirty now, but I just gotta clean it from the inside and out. I put a little pocket. It's not necessary, but I wanted it for my phone specifically, and I could still close it fine when I take off the mesh. I could see him through the back. He has plenty of air from the front and back and sides. I could see him through here. This one, I can't take this mesh off, but of course the front mesh is removable. I could also take this zipper off if I want to walk him without this one. I could just tuck it in or put it in the undercarriage. I already have his scarf there that I use to carry him all the time. It's perfect. He seems to like it. You like it, boy? Who's my good boy? There it is, though. Bye, Bowie. He's hot. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, please.